This is a giveaway I did last year just because it's Christmas. We gave out all the stuff like this from Ballay de Eschilo. Went to Bucho's store, or his grandmother's store. We call him Bucho, but his name is Darius Kyle. And here, made that video. Yep, we got all those stuff. For this year, we still have help from Ballay de Eschilo because this sacco bag, or this sack, is like good for giving away stuff to kids. And check out their page and Instagram, link will be in the description below. Right, what we did is we added ice cream now, this time for 20 kids. So the first batch I bought like a few days ago. This is about 14 pieces of random different ice creams, so the kids can just choose what they want. Yep, there's gonna be fun for the little kids. So yep, yes, all right. And then on the second, I think this was yesterday or the other day that I bought the last final batch to make it 20. And here, my dad found out I was doing this, so he donated 500 peso worth of 100 peso bills. Here's the first batch. Yes, that's all 20. So yeah, I was saying my dad contributed 500 of the 100 bills. So we're gonna put 100 on each bag for the kids. So yep. So total is 20. So 500 from my dad, and then the rest me and my brother would split the cost. And now here it is, all on the little sacco bag from Ballay de Eschilo. They use this small bag when I used to get like small perfumes and all the small candle stuff. So I put them away because it's reusable like this. And plus the good thing here is it's eco-friendly, so you can throw it away. It's not gonna cause any pollution. So props to Ballay de Eschilo for getting good projects that's safe for our Mother Earth. Alright, here's the ice creams. Put it on the small ice cooler so that it won't melt. So we'll just bring it down to Darius's mom's store or grandmother's store. Here it is. And the guy in blue, that's Darius's grandfather, because the grandmother is probably out or something. So Darius is trying to call out the other kids that he plays with. Bucho. Yep. Their store is closed, as you can see, because not many caddies are active now heading for lunch here. So unlike when it's summer, they're always busy because of the golf course. We're close by the golf course of Valley Golf, and the caddies there usually have lunch here. Okay, so here's the cooler. We'll let the kids choose the ice cream that they want, and then give the sacco bag each kid. Let's wait some more. Where the kids? I mean, last year, if you saw the video, his grandma just walked around the whole road up and down just to get the kids. So here, there's a few kids here, and that's Bucho at the back in gray. Yeah, we're gonna talk to him later. So sit back. Let's wait. Yep, the kids are getting the ice cream. Okay, now here, let's ask my brother to get the other echo bag with the small pockets for the kids, so they can have 100 each, and they can enjoy it and take it home to their mom or buy stuff in the store. Mostly food, of course. Yes. Bucho is busy asking his granddad to open his ice cream. As you see at the back there in the background. Oh, the kids are getting to enjoy the ice cream. Oh, they choose the one with the cup. Yep, my brother Ray is giving out the pockets there for the kids. So, yep. Oh, they got their own choices there. Oh, there you go. Now let's wait for the next batch of kids. Oh, there's the last one. Oh, there, that too. Alright, so now let's wait for the next batch of kids. Yep. And suddenly Bucho is just there walking around busy with his ice cream. Oh yeah. Alright. Let's keep waiting. Oh, here's one kid that came close. Okay, there you go. Yep. Merry Christmas, kid, little boy. Yep. Just walking around looking for his friends. Yeah, and here the two girls walked by. They didn't say anything. They were just smiling, and we realized they just wanted ice cream and of course some gift cards, or the 100, because They actually was shy because you can tell they're either like 12 to 13, so maybe they're considering themselves that they're no longer kids, but they're still kids in my book. Ooh, there, the next batch is coming. Yeah, the kids. Thanks to the granddad, he just keeps calling the other kids. So hey, we need more kids like this. So there they go. Some of the other kids already have ice cream, so they just call their friends. And that's good, you know. Call and share to your friends, so you know you can all enjoy it. Yep. Almost done with the ice cream. Yeah. There you go. Yeah, all the kids are happy now. Oh, they're starting to jump around. Oh, there's a little boy there. Little Bucho. Cute. There's more. Yep, there you go. I think that's the last bag. Yeah, yeah. So done. Alright. Thank you, thank you. And Bucho's granddad is just happy with it. There's Bucho there walking around. You see that? He's still busy with his Magnum. Yeah, Bucho. Alright. And you know, I didn't notice from the beginning. This kid here with disability was waiting for it, so we had to give him 100 and also get him ice cream a little later. So now here's my brother Ray trying to talk to Bucho. Let's listen.
Wish mo ngayon this Christmas?
Anong wish mo daw?
Regalo.
Regalo. Nagustuhan mo ba yung ice cream na binigay namin? Okay. Ano yung favorite memory mo this year? Yung naalala mo? Or favorite na ginawa mo this year?
Oh yeah, kind of shy to answer now. He's just shrugging his shoulders. His grandma always tells me Bucho is a really shy kid who doesn't really talk too much or just plays around. So yep, that's okay. And yes, I gotta say thank you again to Ballay de Eschilo. The owners are doing a good job with the charity stuff they do. Here, the owners are Teresa and Nicole. That's TC and NK. And the reason why I'm so thankful for them is because I did this since last year, and that's because they actually do the same stuff or the charitable work. And here's their TikTok. You gotta check them out. Their Ballay de Chilo page and Instagram link will be in the description below. All right. Here's also their YouTube channel. Check it out. Subscribe. They got some cool videos and very interesting if you're a business owner or just overall talking about life in general, and of course some cooking stuff because NK is a culinary grad, so she knows the deal. Check out all those videos, right? And the reason why I would mention them is because this video here, this was last year. They did the charity work for a school near them. They paid for all the books, and this is for this year. So they do awesome stuff like this. And the reason why I mentioned this because they have to know that the work that they do right now inspires other people like me to do more charitable work. So if I can, they can, you can. So thanks for watching, subscribe, and check out their channel, alright? Yeah!